Hey everyone, hope you're doing well and welcome to another episode of Chow with Lau. And today I'm going to show you how to make one of my personal favourites, satay steak. Stay tuned guys. In today's recipe we're combining two of my very favourite things. Steak because, well, who doesn't like steak? And my own version of satay sauce, which is sticky, unctuous, just a little bit spicy, and it goes well with so many different things. Chicken, pork, vegetables, and today's steak. And the ingredients for this satay sauce can always be kept in your cupboard, so you can whip it up any day of the week in literally 5 minutes flat. It's so useful, so tasty, you're going to want to try it. So the first thing we're going to do is fry off our steak. I like mine medium rare, so it's only going to have a couple of minutes on both sides. I'm going to put a little bit of garlic in there, give it some flavour, season it with some salt and pepper. You can of course adjust the cooking time to suit your tastes. Now when the steak is done, you can set it aside and let it rest whilst you put together the rest of the dish. For this recipe, I'm going to go fairly healthy. I'm going to serve it on a nice bed of salad. So the mainstay of our salad is this mini gem lettuce which I'm cutting up. I love these because they really are fresh and crisp. I'm also going to slice up these mini sweet peppers which are going to add some lovely bite and texture to this salad. I also like using finely sliced onion for this recipe because the little bit of heat from the onion really goes well with the steak and brings another dimension to our salad. Cherry tomatoes go well in any salad. I just love the way they go squish in your mouth like a little bomb of sweetness. And finally, I've got some spring onions here. These are purple ones, which I'm finding increasingly at supermarkets these days. Not only do they look really interesting, they taste amazing too. Now it's time to assemble our salad. I told you this was simple. Now it's time to make the satay sauce. First, put 200 milliliters of water into a small saucepan. Heat this up gently and add 3 tablespoons of sweet chili sauce. Then add 2 tablespoons of peanut butter and stir. Stir this sauce gently as you heat it up. Eventually it will come together into a smooth, thick, creamy sauce. If it becomes too thick and gloopy, add a little bit more water. And finally add 1 teaspoon of fish sauce for flavour. Next we slice our steak into nice thin bite-sized strips. Look how juicy that is. Now it's time to drizzle on our delicious creamy satay sauce. I always make way too much, but it doesn't matter because it'll keep in your fridge for days. None of it goes to waste. And to finish off with, we add our spring onions for garnish. Perfect. Check it out guys. Satay perfection. This is truly one of my favourite dishes. I could eat this nearly every day. And why not? It's got greens in it. As you've no doubt noticed, I am using chopsticks again to eat my food. If you guys want to become chopstick ninjas, I've just made a video about that. I'll leave the link in the description below. Anyway, guys, wow, juicy steak, satay sauce, what could be better? The satay sauce goes perfectly with the beef. It seemed to be made for each other. That sweetness, that little hint of the chili flavour, the smoothness of that peanut butter is just to die for. Something about beef and satay always goes very, very well. Every time I think of satay, I'm thinking beef. It's just perfect. But it also, especially if you're not particularly a salad fan, it makes the perfect dressing for salad. It's so nice. And look, that's how you need to eat your steak. Pretty rare. Only joking, you can have your steak well done if you like, but you'd be wrong. And if you think I'm wrong, tell me why in the comments below. I dare you. Anyway guys, you have really got to try this. How many times can you say that a salad is comforting? But it really is. I could eat this every day, especially with summer coming. Salads and summer go together, right? make it a good salad. Anyway, as always, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do like this video. If you do like it, that really helps the channel. If you want to help more directly, you can use a super thanks button below to make a donation. Therefore, I can pay my fuel bills and buy more ingredients. That would be cool. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.